In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Roposo Clout with Shopify. This dynamic integration will enhance your online store, providing you with more tools to engage with your customers effectively. We'll walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring it's simple and straightforward, even if you're new to this. Let's dive right into it. Begin by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look at the left-hand panel, where you'll see a variety of options for managing your store. What you want to do is find and click on the button labeled Apps. This section houses all the apps that you can integrate with your Shopify store, enhancing its functionality and allowing you to customize the shopping experience for your customers. Once you're in the Apps section, you can use the search bar at the top. Type in Roposo Clout. This is the app we'll be working with today, so it's important to ensure you're selecting the right one. After you type in the name, press Enter or click the search button, and you should see Roposo Clout appear in the search results. Click on it to proceed to the app page. On this page, you'll find more information about the app and its features. Take a moment to review these details if you'd like, to better understand how Roposo Clout can benefit your store. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is install the app. On the app page, there will be a button labeled Install. Go ahead and click on this button. The installation process is typically straightforward and begins as soon as you confirm that you'd like to add the app to your Shopify store. Once you've installed the app, you'll be redirected to Roposo Clout's site. It's here that you'll need to log in to your existing account. If you don't already have an account with Roposo Clout, the site will guide you through the process of creating one. Be sure to use your correct login credentials to ensure a successful connection between Roposo Clout and your Shopify store. This connection is crucial because it allows the two platforms to communicate with each other, sharing valuable information and ensuring that your store operates seamlessly. And just like that, you're all set. The integration is complete, and you can start exploring how Roposo Clout enhances your Shopify store. You'll find new tools and features that can help you better engage with your customers and manage your store's operations more effectively. This integration is a fantastic way to take your Shopify experience to the next level, providing you with additional capabilities and a broad array of options to boost your online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful and easy to follow.